Look at this! Your lawn is a nightmare, with pet spots and dead spots everywhere. Laying sod is a back-breaking chore, and spreading seed is a pain. Birds eat the seed, ants carrying seed, and it's washed away by rain. Not anymore. Thank God, Turfquick is here. Turfquick, the amazing professional-grade grass-growing technology. You simply roll, water, and watch it grow. For a great-looking lawn you're going to love. Look closer. Turfquick merges seed science with high-tech turf technology, embedding thousands of seeds into a biodegradable, high-absorption compost fiber that retains water. Turfquick textile 6 to 10 weeks, 100% biodegradable, so seeds stay moist and secure while keeping birds at bay and heavy rain washouts away. This is the same revolutionary roll-out healthy grow technique used by gardeners, golf courses, and landscapers. And now, it's finally available in a residential roll for your garden, with the seeds that you need. Also, you can use on parks and gardens. Just roll, water, and watch it grow. And you'll see why Turfquick received the Elmia Garden Award. Turfquick absorbs and holds up to 6 times its own weight, so you water less and grow more. Under ideal growing conditions, Turfquick can simply grow past other grass seeds, get rid of pet spots like magic, erase worn footpaths, grow grass in the shade and under trees with ease, and using Turfquick on slopes and hills is a breeze. Watch as we place Turfquick directly on concrete without a speck of soil, and in days it grows like crazy. It's like grass seed on steroids. It's award-winning, made in Sweden, patented Swedish technology with Swedish quality. Best garden product in Scandinavia. And we have other seeds for herbs, flowers, cultivation, textiles, vegetables, pets. To see our products, you can visit our website. Turfquick is to grow anywhere in the direct sun or shade. Get your green lawn back with Turfquick.